Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the image and the connection. Get the wallpaper into photos at roughly 16:9, about 1920 x 720, so it crops well. This avoids odd stretching. Once done, connect your iPhone to CarPlay with the cable or wireless pairing and unlock the phone. Make sure CarPlay is active on the car screen. You need these pieces in place before changing anything, because without the right image and an active CarPlay session, next you change the wallpaper through an app or shortcut that supports CarPlay backgrounds. Open the app while CarPlay is connected, then choose the wallpaper or background option and pick your photo from Photos. You may need to crop and scale. Do this deliberately so important parts aren't cut off. If using shortcuts, run the shortcut while CarPlay is active to push the image. Make sure you preview on the car display, because CarPlay applies the image differently than your phone. Finally, save the selection and exit the app, then check that the wallpaper remains after disconnecting and reconnecting CarPlay. If the image reverts or looks wrong, try a different resolution or switch between PNG and JPEG. Some systems prefer one format. Make sure the crop is centered and not too tall. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and the car's infotainment system, then repeat the process. That often clears temporary cache or handshake issues and lets the new wallpaper stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.